I miss my tribe, and Bella and I are gonna go find them. Some things really came together yesterday. A couple of videos ago, I was feeling a little frustrated because I just felt like I still had all these loose ends to take care of. They're almost done. I got 3 more things to do, and 2 of them will be done today. I gotta take the Suzuki Van over to my oldest son's place. He's gonna sell it for me. Got a little bit of visiting to do today, and that'll leave one thing. I have the garage all cleaned up. The toolbox is closed for the season. That's about it. I like to have everything clean, nothing protruding up past this line here. So if my buddy needs to pull a vehicle in here to work on it, I don't have any of my stuff is in the way. And the Kawasaki will be on the back of Betty, the Bounder, the Van. I'm taking it over this morning. And that'll leave a pretty cleaned out garage. I'm about done here. So I'm going to take the Suzuki over here in a little bit. I don't know. I'm getting excited. Well, that's it. I may or may not ever see the Van again. Well, I'm back. And I just found out that I don't have to wait around on that generator part to get shipped back. The guy was going to repair it and send it back, but he's just going to refund me my money. So that was like the only item that I was really sticking around. I thought I'd have to get that out of the mailbox. Now the Suzuki is gone, and yeah, the garage is looking pretty cleaned up. The Kawasaki's loaded up. Well, I guess we can go ahead and leave. It's an odd feeling. I guess I've done everything I wanted to do. I've had everything shipped I wanted shipped. Repaired everything I wanted repaired. I guess it's time to get out of here. I closed the garage up for last time for a while. We might not be back for quite some time. I think Montana is calling. Right, Bella? Did you hear? Wasn't that Montana that called us earlier? One more stop. I'm gonna head up to Interstate 80, and my cousin lives up just off the exit. I'd like to stop in and see him for a little bit. But this time when we're up at Interstate 80, there's that sign that says Interstate 80 West. I might take that on ramp and we'll be going. Okay. I think I'm gonna just cut this short here. We're fast forwarding a little bit. I got all my visiting in. There's really nothing else left to do. And to finish my visiting up, I stopped up here in Brookville to visit with my cousin a little bit. Sat and really pondered it all. Here we go out on a big venture again. You know, in past videos I've said how tempting that on-ramp at Interstate 80 is right here in Brookville. We're gonna take it this time. It's time. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I don't know if I'm going out on Interstate 80 or gonna get on. I will for a while, or whether I'm gonna get up on Interstate 90 or Interstate 94. I don't know just yet. But we're just gonna go and drive for a while. I just want to get out of this region, the whole Northeast. I'm gonna get through Ohio, probably get up into Michigan a little bit. I don't know. I think I want to get out and around Chicago. I want to get beyond Chicago before I kind of slow down and have much more to say here. So that's it. We're just gonna cut it off here. Check back. We won't be in Pennsylvania anymore in the next video. I know it. Check back. I'll see you next time.